I'm Matthijs from Noppen. I'm working with Esthec for many years now. We do selling Esthec for the Netherlands, for Germany and also for Swiss. And we do the installation for all other agencies in Europe. Installation of Esthec is not difficult if you know how to do and you have the right machinery. When you have that everything, then it's easier to install than any other material, wood or stone or something like that. The installation, we do that with a team of 6 people, and they go around the world, everything. Hotels, resorts, private terraces. So when some people want it, then they ask us always for the installation because they want a total product, and a total product you have it when it's installed the right way.